Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. So let us see what is coming up, guys. This is going to be a different kind of reading today, guys. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. So one for your past energy, one for your present, and one for your future. So first card is for your past, guys. The second card for your present, and one card for your future. So we will turn the cards as we proceed, guys. It's an angel card. So whenever you get an angel card, just means that the angels are there with us, guys, guiding us. So it is the time for you to heal. Maybe you would have had struggles and troubles, and your past energy was healing, guys. You were healing from something, all the troubles or all the conflicts that you were facing in your life, and you you were letting go of the negative things that were happening, forgiving the people that were the reason or the situation or yourself, and you are choosing this life, some kind of change in your life, a healthy way to lead your life, and you are healing yourself, and you were trying to do something that was giving you great satisfaction. So whatever that you loved, maybe traveling. Few of you all would have resorted to traveling. If you love traveling, you would have traveled to overcome all the hurt and to heal yourself from the past hurts, whatever that was in your life, guys. And you are physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually healing from that negative energies, whatever that was in the past, guys. So what is your present for today? What is the energy? Cooperate. For your present Libras, the energy is that you need to work with the people in your life. So at times when we are in trouble, we need to work with the people who are there with us. This may concern our work situation or our family. We need to appreciate the other person's skills and abilities and encourage them to collaborate with us. When we share our skills and abilities to find a solution for a particular problem, and we work together to achieve greater things, we automatically put in all our strengths together. So we will work as a team, and it builds that great sense of purpose in our activities, guys. And when we do that, when we contribute with selfless love, without any expectations, when we appreciate the other people who are involved with us, we just encourage more collaboration, and we help to build a strong society. So in whatever situation we are, we help to bring that a strong community in our family, in our work circle, or with this person. We just build a stronger bond, guys, when we work together. So that is the energy for your present, guys, Libras. So you need to have that openness to appreciate others' skills and abilities and accept them and work with them, collaborate with them. So that is the energy for your present, Libra. So let us see what is the card for your future. Hope. Libras, every day in our life we hear so many sad stories and troubling times about troubling things which just gives us a heavy heart. We just do not know what to do to change certain things, and we feel we cannot change the world. One person cannot change the world, but it is time. The angels are guiding you to have that the sense of hope in your heart to do a small thing, whatever you want, whatever you can. Maybe dedicate a time and resources to change a few things. Do some communal work that may be of great difference to somebody who is in need. So when we are so passionate about making that change, it will just inspire others also who see us to take up to that path of helping others, and it will bring that direction in our lives, and it will help us to reach the purpose in our lives also, guys. So it will give a sense of purpose to us. So even a small way, whatever we can, a small help to others, to somebody, to a stranger, it will bring a big change in our heart, guys, and it will bring it will make us more open to love and happiness. So that is the angels guidance for your future, Libras. So for today, you need to have that strong sense of collaborating, working with people together, that togetherness. So that is the energy for today, Libras. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please comment, and if it resonated with you all, please comment, guys. And I'll be doing another reading tomorrow. See you all tomorrow, Libras. Bye, Libras.